Hello all, welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 5th February current affairs. I have already uploaded the 4th February current affairs. If you haven't watched that video, please do check out. I will give the link of that video in the description box. These are all the important current affairs of the 5th February. First one is India's first white tiger breeding center will be established in Rewa district of Madhya Pradesh. This location is significant because it is where the last wild white tiger was found. The center aims to conserve white tigers, promote tourism and create jobs. It is a part of large effort to preserve white tigers which are endangered, and this is going to be the India's first white tiger breeding center. The center is at Mukundapur White Tiger Safari. This was approved by the Central Zoo Authority. Central Zoo Authority is a government body responsible for overseeing the management of zoos in India. It was established in 1992 to ensure that zoos in India meet international standards for animal care and conservation. Second one, Maharashtra is pioneering AI education in India by establishing the nation's first dedicated artificial intelligence university. A team of experts from universities, businesses, and the government are guiding this project, ensuring it meets the needs of both student and the growth of AI industry. The university will focus on AI education, research, skill development, technology innovation, and policy formulation, and also aiming to make Maharashtra a global AI hub. AI offers numerous benefits including increased efficiency and productivity through automation and faster processing, improved accuracy by reducing human error, enhanced decision making with data-driven insights, and fostering innovation by enabling new products and problem solving. It also allows for personalized experiences. Next one, Ministry of Electronics, Information and Technology and IIT Indore are going to launch AgriHub. AgriHub is a new center of excellence focused on using artificial intelligence to improve Indian agriculture. It is a joint effort between Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology and the Indian Institute of Technology Indore. Several other important agricultural institutions and the Madhya Pradesh state government are also partners in this. The major aim of the AgriHub is Indian agriculture faces challenges like droughts, low crop yield and other issues. AgriHub aims to tackle these issues using AI, machine learning and deep learning, all powerful technologies that can analyze data and find solutions. AgriHub expects to enhance food security, position in India as a global agri-tech leader and empower the agricultural sector through advanced technologies. Next one. The Indian government has made a significant improvement to the Hajj pilgrimages through the app Hajj Suvidha app. This app is a one-stop shop for pilgrims. It provides training modules, travel and baggage information, source assistance, grievance redressal, etc. This app keeps pilgrims updated on their travel plans and baggage status, provides a way for pilgrims to quickly request help in emergencies, allows pilgrims to lodge complaints and have them addressed. Next one, Indian Army is teaming up with IIT Guwahati to develop new, more sustainable bunkers made from bamboo. These bunkers will be lighter and more environment friendly and still provide strong protection for soldiers stationed at high altitude, particularly in Arunachal Pradesh. Why only bamboo? Bamboo is a fast growing renewable resource. This initiative aligns with the Army's Decade of Transformation, a plan to modernize and improve its capability. It also showcases the importance of collaboration between the Army and the IIT to bring advanced technology into defense. Next one, Tropex 25 exercise. The full form of Tropex 25 is Theatre Level Operational Readiness Exercise 2025. This is a biennial maritime exercise and the location of the exercise is Indian Ocean region. And the participating forces in the Tropex exercise are Indian Navy, Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Coast Guard. Strategic significance of the Tropex 25 is regional security, counter naval challenges, and Quad partnership strengthening. Next one, International Big Cat Alliance. It is a global effort to protect big cats. The IBCA is an organization dedicated to conservation of 7 big cats. Those are tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, cheetah, jaguars, and pumas. The IBCA is headquartered in India. This focuses on several key areas such as habitat protection, anti-poaching, financial support, climate change integration, research. The IBCA brings countries, organizations and experts together to work towards a common goal. And these goals and policies are aligned with the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. Initially, this was ratified by 5 countries and more 27 countries are showing interest to join. IBCA is modelled after the International Solar Alliance. The 5 countries that have joined the IBCA are Nicaragua, Eswatini, which is also known as Swaziland, India, Somalia and Liberia. Next one, International Development Week 2025. This is an event dated from 2nd February to 8th February and the organizer of this is Global Affairs of Canada. And the particular theme for 2025 is still not have announced and the key sub-themes of the International Development Week are gender equality, education, health, economic resilience, climate action. These are all the key sub-themes of International Development Week, which is organized from 2nd February to 8th February in 2025 and the organizer of this is Global Affairs Canada. That's all about the today's video. These are all the important current affairs of the 5th February. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel Study with Mahi till now, please do subscribe and also like the video, share with others also.